Hey everyone, are you ready to start making money? I'm your expert guide in binary options trading. Finally, you'll have access to all my trading secrets. Yes, you heard it right. I have launched my recorded course where I've put years of experience into one comprehensive guide. Get ready to change the way you trade binary options. After going to binarytradingexpert.com, you'll see a course button there. Click on it and you'll be redirected to another website, manishpati.com. Once there, you'll see a View Course button. Click on it and you'll be taken to the course page. Simply click on the Add to Cart button, fill out all the details, place the order, and then text me on Telegram to make the payment. Just click on the text button here and you can send me a message by clicking on the Send Message button. Okay, now get back to our website, scroll down and click on the Telegram icon to join my channel. I provide daily free trading signals that have helped many people achieve huge profits. Check out some of the amazing reviews from my satisfied members. If you're serious about earning, message me on Telegram at @BBinarySupport. You can also connect with me on Instagram. Just click on the Instagram icon here. You can message me your queries and doubts. Irrespective of my following above 1 million, I would take out time to get back to your message, even if it takes a month. My Instagram is a symbol of my success, and all these sports cars you see here were bought with my hard work in the field of trading. But that's not all. I also host live trading sessions on YouTube, and I provide real-time signals, their analysis and insights. Apart from that, you can learn a lot from the videos on my channel. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on these valuable sessions. Don't wait to start your journey today to financial freedom. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on these valuable sessions. Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to another new video. I hope you're doing great and have made a good profit with the help of our videos and signals. For those of you who want to make profits, you can text us on Telegram where we provide daily, sure shot signals. It's completely free of charge. Simply text us on Telegram at @BBinarySupport. As you can see, I have $50 in my account and today we will be doing compounding with this amount. In this video, we'll be using the EMA strategy. So first we'll go to the indicator section and select moving average twice. Then go to the settings, choose 25 EMA. Set the style to 2px with a green color and save it. For the second one, set it to 50 EMA. Style 2px with a red color and save it. Now, let's find our first trade for this compounding session. We will be focusing on cryptocurrency today. First, we'll add the assets to our favorites. Alright, let's find our first trade for the compounding session on cryptocurrencies. On Ripple, we have a trade for an upside move, so I placed the trade for $50 for the upside move based on the EMA strategy. Currently, the trade is in our favor. As you can see, the previous red candle closed near both the 25 EMA and the 50 EMA, which is why I took this trade for the upside move in the trend direction. However, the trade is not in our favor right now, but we still have 30 seconds left. As you can see in the background, there was a downtrend, but the candle broke the moving average and converted the trend into an uptrend. That's why I took this trade for the upside move. Now, the current candle has reversed and is moving in our favor. We have just 10 seconds left. Only a few seconds left. And I won my first trade of the compounding session. My balance has now increased to $93. Let's find a trade for $93 on cryptocurrency. Alright, on Solana we have a potential trade. If this candle closes near the 50 EMA, we can try for an upside move on the next candle. However, the candle broke the moving average, so we'll avoid this trade. Let's find another trade for $93. On Toronto TC, I placed a trade for $93 for a downside move. As you can see, there was an uptrend in the background, and the candle broke the moving average. The previous green candle also closed near the 50 EMA, which is why I took this trade for the downside move. Currently, the trade is going in our favor, but we still have 30 seconds left. Just a few seconds left, and I won another trade. My balance is now $173. Let's find a trade for $173 in this compounding session. On Solana, we have a trade for an upside move, so I placed a trade for $173 on Solana OTC. Currently, the trade is not in our favor, but we still have 40 seconds left. The next candle might come back in our favor, and it turned into a green candle. We have only 10 seconds left. With just a few seconds left, we won another trade. My balance is now $333. Let's find a trade for $333. On Bitcoin ETF OTC, I placed a trade for $333 for an upside move. As you can see, the previous red candle closed near the 25 EMA, which is why I took this trade for the upside move. There's also an uptrend in the background. Currently, the trade is going in our favor, and the previous candle was a green candle. We still have 25 seconds left. Just a few seconds left. And I won another trade. My balance is now $639. Let's find a trade for $639. On Dogecoin OTC, if this candle closes near the 25 EMA level, we can place a trade for a downside move on the next candle. Alternatively, if this current candle gives us an entry, we can try for the downside move. The candle gave us an entry, so I placed a trade for the downside move worth $639. There was a downtrend, and the candle was also facing resistance from the 25 EMA level. That's why I took this trade for the downside move. You can see that the green candle also closed near the 25 EMA level. Currently, our trade is going in our favor, but we still have 30 seconds left. With just a few seconds left, we won the trade, and my balance has now increased to $1,227. Let's find a trade for $1,227. Alright, on BNB we have a potential trade for the downside move. I placed a trade for $1,227 for the downside move. I got a slightly bad entry, but in my opinion, this candle should close as a red candle and engulf the previous green candle. That's why I took this trade for the downside move. As you can see, there's also a downtrend, and the previous green candle closed near the 50 EMA level. As I predicted, the current red candle did indeed close as a red candle and engulf the previous green candle. Our trade is going in our favor, but we still have 10 seconds left. With just a few seconds remaining, we won another trade. Now my balance has increased to $2,356. Let's find a trade for $2,356. On Dogecoin, we had a trade setup, but the candle didn't give us a good entry, so we'll avoid it. However, on Solana, the candle was taking resistance exactly at the 50 EMA level. Now on BNB, if the current candle closes as a red candle near either the 25 EMA or the 50 EMA, we can try for an upside move. The candle closed as a red candle near the 25 EMA, so I placed a trade for the upside move worth $2,356. Currently, the trade is not in our favor, but we still have 45 seconds left. The current candle may turn around and become a green candle. We have just 15 seconds left, and the trade is now in our favor. With only a few seconds left, we won another trade. Now my balance is $4,523. Let's find a trade for $4,523. On Ripple, we have a trade for the upside move. I placed a trade for the upside move on Ripple OTC worth $4,523. The previous red candle closed near the 25 EMA, and there's also an uptrend. That's why I took this trade for the upside move. Currently, the trade is going in our favor, but we still have 40 seconds left. With just a few seconds left, we won another trade. My balance has now increased to $8,684. Let's find a trade for $8,684. On Chainlink, we had a potential trade for the upside move, but the candle had already reversed, so we will avoid that one. Let's find another trade for $8,684. On Avalanche OTC, we had a potential setup. If this candle gives us a good entry or closes near the moving average, we can try for the upside move. The candle closed as a red candle near the 25 EMA, so I placed the trade for the upside move on Avalanche OTC worth $8,684. As soon as I placed the trade, the candle started moving in our favor. We still have 40 seconds left, and it looks like a good win. I don't think the candle will reverse now. With just a few seconds left, we won another trade. My balance has now increased to $16,674. So I've already made a good profit starting with just $50, and I'll stop here. I hope you guys learned something from the EMA strategy. I've already made a lot of videos on this strategy, and you can also make good money by using this indicator. If you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment down below with your thoughts about the video. See you in the next one, guys. Goodbye.